Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Earth signs. Okay, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see, ano bang mensahe ni ex mo pagdating sa'yo? Syempre. Okay. So, kung interesado kang malaman, then yeah. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. Okay? So, Evil Eye Protection, meron tayong ring, bracelet, and necklace. Okay? And syempre, pagdating sa love, if you're looking for love, kung meron kang mga gustong ma-fix pagdating sa love situations, ito yung for you. Okay? So, love bracelet. And, syempre, pagdating sa mga minamanifest mo, kung gusto mo na talagang makuha yan, and makuha ng mga surprises pa, so, si Granter naman, yung para sa'yo. This is, inalis ko dito talaga yung sa love, kasi ito yung para sa love. Okay? So, kung ano man ang mga minamanifest mo, aside sa love, okay? Except sa love. Yeah, pwede sa'yo to. Si Granter. And syempre, si cord cutting. So, kung meron ka ng mga gustong alisin sa buhay mong mga energy na parang feeling mo nakadikit pa rin sila. So, ito yon, si cord cut. Okay? Kung meron pang tanong po, message na lang po. Okay? So, there. Wag po sa comment section. Oo. Sa PM. Okay? Message nyo po ako sa FB page ng Fias Tarot. Okay? So, para inyo kayong ma-replyan ni admin. Let's see. Yun nga lang, just be patient. Be patient. Okay, kasi isa lang si admin na sumasagot sa inyo. Daang libo na tayo, actually. So, okay. Tingnan natin. Message coming from your ex. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, ano bang meron? The Four of Pentacles. They're still holding on. Some of them, meron silang hinanakit. I have hinanakit sa'yo, Earth signs. Sabi. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. I'm angry. I'm angry. I'm mad at you. Yan. Okay. Iba sa kanila, meron silang tinatago. Meron silang tinatago na ayaw talaga nilang malalaman mo eh. Okay. See? The Three of Swords. They're in pain. They're sad. They're angry. Okay? Kung ano man ang nangyari sa inyo, hindi pa rin niya yun nakakalimutan. Hindi pa rin sila healed. I don't care kung sila ba ay nasa isang connection na, I don't care kung ano man ang ginagawa nila, hindi pa rin sila healed. Kasi hindi nila hinahayaan yung sarili nila na totally na ma-let go kung ano mga kailangang i-let go. They're just always maybe entering new connections, maybe entering kung ano man. Okay? So, parang sinasabotahe lang nila yung mga bagong pwedeng maganap sa buhay nila eh. Like that. Anyway, so what else? So, galit si ex mo. I don't know why. They're just controlling kung ano man yung mga kailangan lang kontrolin sa emosyon nila whatsoever. So, ano pa ang mensahe sa'yo? Gagamit tayo ng oracle mamaya. Okay? So, ano pang mensahe na gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo, Earth signs? Judgment in reversed. Six of Pentacles. Oh. So, this is just like accepting the fact. Accepting the fact na parang wala nang pagbabalikan na mangyayari sa inyo. So, it's like, okay. The Ten of Swords is here. O, siguro, this is the right timing na maybe kumuha na ako or maging open na for another connection. Kasi some of them, parang feeling nila, wala na, there's no turning back here. Wala nang mangyayaring pagbabalikan dito. Pero yeah, some of them, they want, forgiveness. They want clarity, kung ano man. Okay? Pero sa isip-isip nila, gusto pa rin nilang bumalik sa'yo actually. Yeah. Ayaw na lang nila ng repeat. Ayaw na lang nila ng tawag dyan, cycle. Yeah. Yeah, Page of Pentacles. Some of them, they're focusing on new things or new connection maybe. Some of them may kausap. Okay? Pero hindi niya maramdaman. Hindi niya ma-feel yung connection. Parang we're stalking your ex. Are you stalking your ex or signs? Yeah, this is new. That's new. Pero hindi pa rin sila healed. Oh my. Gusto ng ex mo na magkaroon kayo na sabihin nating last message. Parang ganun. To clarify everything. To clarify things whatsoever. Okay? So, what else? Ano pa ba ang mensahe niya sa'yo? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa ex mo? Mga ganyang bagay. Kung ayaw niyang sabihin, bubungkalin natin. O, diba? Okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. While I'm shuffling, diba? Okay. The Queen of Swords. The Nine of Wands reversed. Sana, diba? Ako na yung nag-channel ng message. Sana kaya mo pa rin akong paniwalaan. That's specific. Sana kaya mo pa rin akong paniwalaan. Ayun yun, pinaka-specific yun. The Five of Wands reversed. Sana kaya mo pa rin akong paniwalaan. Sana naniniwala ka pa rin sa akin. Mga ganon na bagay ba? The World. Yeah. Okay. So what else? Last. And then mag-oracle tayo. The Sun. Okay. Why the Sun? What's with that Sun? Some of them, they're happy. Or pinipilit maging masaya. Yeah, the Five of Wands reversed. Oh, the Five of Cups. Yeah, pinipilit maging masaya. The Ace of Pentacles. Oh, this is sad. They still, miss you. Some of them, the scrolling. Sa mga pictures, I don't know kung pictures yon or andun yung para silang, yeah, there's these memories, no, reminiscing. They miss you. Okay, marami silang naaalala sa'yo. Some of them, they regret something. They're regretting something. Yeah, the Hermit in reverse. They're sad actually. Every time na malungkot daw sila, meron silang parang something na parang tinitingnan. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Para hindi makaramdam ng kalungkutan, meron silang tinitingnan. Maybe yung mga pwedeng nagbabackread to sa thread nyo, convo ninyo before. Anyway, yeah, this person miss you. Anong meron sa kanya? Para malaman mong siya. Pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng maraming on-off. Isa na yun. The Four of Swords in reverse. Temperance. Could be, pwedeng meron silang Sagittarius placements or yeah, kung makikita mo to, nag-scroll sila, no? Para may ganyan. Parang meron silang binura something. Pero still, pwede pa ring mabuksan. That's specific. Okay? Hindi ka nila binlock. Hindi ka binlock ng taong to. Yun yung number 1. Pwedeng hindi ka niya binlock. That is why. Parang na-access pa rin niya kung ano man yung meron sa inyo before. The pictures, maybe. Yeah, I'm channeling. So, there. So, tingnan natin naman sa Oracle. Ano pa yung mga specific messages ni ex mo. Okay. Hang on. Okay. Kuha tayo ng ilan. Para sa your earth signs. Specific message coming from your ex. Earth signs. For earth signs, I want to feel, I want to tell you how I feel. Okay. I lost myself for a little while. I left when I saw you with someone. Okay. I'm hearing this person may pagka-overthinker. We both know I'm not the one for you. I want you. I want you. What else? Last. For earth signs, last message coming from your ex. I wonder if you are happy without me. I bury myself in work to forget you, and I knew exactly what I was doing. So there, yun po ang aking reading for you, earth signs. Again, please don't forget, to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Okay, thank you. The link is in the description box below. So, yun po. Now, thank you again. Goodbye.